In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image accordion to ClickFunnels. An image accordion is a clean, interactive way to showcase visuals where each image expands to reveal a title or more context on hover or click. It's perfect for portfolios, product highlights, or step-by-step visuals. And the best part is you can add it to your ClickFunnels page with just a small embed code. First, head over to a widget builder, such as Common Ninja's image accordion tool. Inside the builder, start designing your accordion by adding the images you want to feature. Give each image a clear title so users know what they're looking at, and choose a layout that fits your page style: horizontal or vertical, number of panels, spacing, and animation behavior. Take a moment to optimize your images so they load fast, and add alt text for accessibility if the builder supports it. Most tools will show you a live preview, so adjust colors, fonts, and hover effects until everything feels on brand and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, save your work. Then click Save Changes, choose Add to Website, and copy the embed code the builder provides. This is usually a snippet of HTML and JavaScript that makes the accordion work on your site. Keep it handy. You'll paste it into ClickFunnels in a moment. Now open your ClickFunnels page editor and navigate to the page where you want the accordion to appear. From the Elements panel, add a custom HTML/code element to the section or row where you want the accordion to live. It can sit inside a full-width row or a column, depending on your layout. Click into that element, paste the embed code you copied from the widget builder, and apply or save the changes within the element. Next, save or update your page in ClickFunnels. Use the preview option to see it live. You should now see your image accordion displaying interactively. Hovering or clicking each panel should expand it and reveal the associated title or content. If it looks squished, try placing the element in a wider column, or remove extra padding around the container. If it's not showing at all, double-check that you pasted the entire code and saved the page. Sometimes, browser extensions or strict content blockers can interfere, so preview in an incognito window if needed. That's it. You've designed an image accordion with a widget builder, embedded it into ClickFunnels using a custom HTML element, and confirmed it works. Make final tweaks to spacing and layout, then publish when you're satisfied.